So typically vehicle paint coat thickness ranges from 4 to 6 mils when they come from the factory with the original paint. This vehicle has a little bit of a higher coat thickness, and it's part of our claim that the vehicle was repainted.
8.7 mil. 9.0 mil. 10.1 mil.
10. That's
7.8 mil.
This is thicker than normal for a BMW.
9 mil.
The other thing you'll notice if you take a shot from this angle, come around, is how this does not align flush with the bumper. And then the trim here was adjusted multiple times at the dealership because it was popping out, it was not installed fully. And even now, when you look at it, you could see that the clips are not in the rubber components. So this was not done properly, which gives us reason to suspect that this was done after the vehicle was manufactured.